this is Holly with Up and Out Adventures, and today we are going to be making this really fun clothespin bug swap. Swaps, something with a pen, are used throughout scouting. They are fun crafts that are made to remember an event, and they're traded with friends. This bug swap is perfect for any age of scout and can be used as swaps for any bug-related, flower-related, gardening-related, or outdoor type event, activity, or badges. So here's what you'll need: a clothespin, a big puff ball, and 3 or 4 smaller puff balls, a couple of small googly eyes, some glue dots, regular glue, and a marker. Let's get started. Stick a glue dot on the bottom of each of your puff balls. Next, take the largest puff ball and remove the backing of the glue dot. Stick this closest to the opening of the clothespin. Repeat the process with the smaller puff balls down the back of the clothespin to create the body. Next, place the googly eyes on the puff ball head to give your bug big, beautiful eyes. Use regular glue for this because it sticks better. If you want to save drying time, pre-glue the googly eyes on the bug's head. Turn your bug on its side and draw as many little lines as you'd like under each puff ball to give your bug feet. Repeat this on the other side too. Finally, flip your bug completely over and write your name, the event, and the date on the bottom of your clothespin. That's all there is to it. Now you can make this adorable bug swap. You can get all the supplies you need at your local craft store, or you can go to upandoutadventures.com and click on kits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.